Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and in today's video we're going to continue our reviews on stress therapy technology. Specifically, we're taking a look at massage gun technology. And you've probably seen one of these, but today we're going to cover something that looks like this. Much smaller, much portable, and easier to use. Let's get right to it. Now the first thing we're going to take a look at is the overall features and specs, and then we'll take a look at the massage gun. We'll start it up and hear how loud it sounds, because that's something else that I'm really particular about. I want something that is relatively quiet. So first of all, you're looking at something that's extremely portable, that is going to operate for 5 hours, has a 2,600 milliamp hour battery, and weighs 0.5 kilograms, which is slightly over a pound. It has also 30 watts of power, and it comes with all of the accessories that you need. So it comes with a variety of tips that make it very useful for all the body parts that may need to relieve stress, or if you have any kind of aches or something that you were specifically working on that you want to recover faster. So go to check it out. In the box, you can find everything you need to start using your massage gun right away. You have your massage gun, you have 3 tips, and with the included one that you have on, so that's a total of 4. USB-C charging, which is fantastic now that USB-C is kind of dominating the market, and a little travel bag. Now you do have an additional adapter or massage head that you can use. So this is a round head, right? So this one is also something that you can pick up. It's almost like a combination of the one that you see right here and then the round one, right? And it's very elastic, it's rubbery. It also feels really good when you use it. Now that's everything that comes in the box. Now what I love about the mini massage gun technology is how portable it is and how easy it is to use, and especially if you're a single person who's using it. So you can see it right here compared to this larger model, and this larger model definitely has its place. This in no way means that this is a bad model. This is just, I've seen this used by gym owners, coaches, trainers, more of the professional individuals that are also into therapy, and frankly, a single person using it or an individual using it, it's harder to use because of the weight. This is definitely something, if you're laying down and someone's working on you, the way to go. Great power, great solution. But if you're like 90% of us that are a consumer and you would like something that you can have in your home that you could either use on yourself, or even if you have someone else that would use it on you, but it's not as intimidating as or heavy, then this is definitely something to consider. We'll move this one out of the way. Focus on this one. You can see a couple things that are going on here. Very, very small, easy to hold on to. You do have your power button with your fuel gauge here, USB-C charging point, and then these are the heads. The heads are easy to remove. All you do is you just pull it out just like this, right? And then you just grab the other head that you want to add to it, and then you just push it in, right? And you can feel when it locks in, there's like this tension that takes place. We'll take this out, and then we'll put this one back in like this. And then all you do is you slide it in just like that. So switching them is pretty simple. And then again, this is something that you could even charge with your computer because it uses USB-C. Now powering up the unit is pretty simple. All you do is press and hold, and you'll see the LEDs light up, and then you notice that it started working. And listen to this. I'll stay quiet for a second. I'm going to power up to the next level. 3rd level. That's the fastest. That's how much noise it would be. Go back to the lowest. All right. Now, holding it in your hand, I'll hold it in my hand and you can see while it's vibrating, especially if you have, let's say, carpal tunnel or any type of wrist injury, it will not harm your wrist at all. So if you notice I'm holding it, there's not a lot of vibration. I feel some vibration in this area at this level, but it's really not coming all the way down in this area. So if I were to put it on my body, let's go ahead and do that. This feels really good. All right, so that's setting 1. You can see how it's bouncing. If I were to go back here and put it on my arm so you can see the effect, you can see the vibration. All right, well, we'll go ahead and go to the next setting. You can see it, again, working my arm right there. Go to the next setting. This feels really good. You can use this on your calves, on your legs, upper, lower, right? On your back as well. We'll go to the next setting. And this is the highest one. You can hear it's kind of like, almost like a motorboat, but a really nice soft hum. What we'll do is we'll stop it for a second, and I'm going to switch tips. I'm going to go to the rubber tip. I think this is the most common tip that most of us use. By the way, this one right here is great for your calves. So if you have been running and you'd like to kind of get that deep tissue massage, this is definitely the way to go. So we'll go ahead and turn this on again. Press and hold. And there it's moving. Let's go ahead and do it right here. All right, this is going to get a little bit deeper because of the ball. All right, and I'll go ahead and put it on my chest. And again, this is the whole point of the solution, is that you can actually just do this yourself. You know, you want to relieve some stress right here. You can do that as well. And it feels oh so good. You can even hear my voice kind of vibrating. All right, and you can reach all the way in the back too. Harder to do with something as big as the other unit. So this is the Recoverfun Mini, portable, handheld, and if you're looking for a last-minute gift, even though today is the eve or the day before Christmas, or something after, definitely something that I would consider. So guys, that wraps up our review of the Recoverfun Mini. See you in the next one.